Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
We stand at a crucial moment in our state history, poised to transform the Goa not just as a tourist paradise, but as an example of the economic growth and opportunities. In Swayampurna Goa, we seek to take ahead the ideas of Make in India and Make in Goa. यही समय है, सही समय है, आओ गोवा में इन्वेस्ट करो. मुझे लगता है कि यही समय, सही समय आप गोवा में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे.
इको फ्रेंडली उद्योगाक उद्योग मंत्र्याचो येवकार.
Look at environment friendly good industry which will generate economic activity, which will propel our industrialists to work here, to have the industry generate that sort of income for them. They expand their company's profile and help Goa grow.
धेपेची इको पॉवरात इन्व्हेस्टमेंटाची तयारी. वारका 200 रूमांच्या 5 स्टार हॉटेलाचो प्लान.
Come up with a luxury 5-star hotel in Varka in Goa with more than 200 rooms, recognizing the potential of a large, infrastructure that is required for growing of tourism.
गोवा IDC रेग्युलेशन बुक आणि गोवा IPBची वेबसायटीचे उक्तावण केले. ह्या वेळार आदलो केंद्रीय मंत्री सुरेश प्रभू आशिल्लो.
We will have the industry sector investing more than, or rather giving more returns to the state than the tourism sector. This will lie on the entire responsibility will be that we have done our part and you will be doing your part and taking it to a different level.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी आणि शिरीष कुंकळेकार.